Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Hello and welcome to Nirmal, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Dadia. We have with us Riya Singh, Technical Analyst, Currencies, joining in. Good morning and welcome to the show, Riya. The first question coming to you is with regards to what's happening with the dollar index. It's up for the third consecutive session, and it's mainly on the kind of data that we have been picking up, and that's what is, giving a rebound to the dollar index. But what's the sense that you pick up from here on, and do you think there is some bit of caution that is still needed?
Yes, good morning, Hiren. So, yes, if you look at the dollar index, it has found some ground after a heavy setback session the previous week. Um, the, the main reason for the investors again flocking up towards the safe haven greenback, because if you look at the US market, it has been surging quite a bit. Federal Reserve has continued its purchase of bonds of the blue chip companies there, and their various lending and liquidity programs have been implemented with respect to the federal as well as Congress taking part in it. The Fed has detailed new bond purchases as well as invested in its lending program, which is geared towards their SMEs business, which has taken quite a hit into the pandemic situation. The another reason that I'm looking out for is the new arise in the US-China tensions. Last week we saw uh, you know, a measure that was taken by the US signing a sanction against the Hong Kong officials over their role in imposing a draconian security law on the Asian Financial Center. And we are seeing a retaliation of these measures from the China itself. There has been the the China has again, retaliated, and it will go forward with the impose of sanctions on the 11 U.S. citizens, including senators, in retaliation to similar measures that was taken by the U.S. on US China. The shift into the US domestic market, and also investors again going towards the greenback and considering its safe haven as have really lifted up the dollar index. Obviously, we are seeing some pullback in the euro and pound uh, currency, which has further added on to the appreciation into the dollar index. Will it continue? I think it will continue in the coming session because there are various economic numbers that will come in from the Europe side. So I think dollar index is likely to continue its rally in the coming session towards the green zone.
Right. So, what are the kind of levels we should be tracking on the dollar index, Riya?
I think if you look at the rebound levels, it has quietly, sharply, rebounded from the 90 levels. So that should be considered as a very strong support for the dollar index. 90 level is something that should be considered on. And in the coming session, I think it can move towards 93, 70, 94.20, uh, 94.20, yes, 94.20, the shorter term levels that I'm seeing for the currency on the dollar index.
Right. And, we've seen that loss in momentum, as you mentioned, as well, with regards to where the pound and euro go. What's the kind of levels we should be tracking on both of these currencies?
Yes, so if you look at the euro and pound, now euro there was there was a news, and there were other fundamental factors that were lifting up the euro into the zone. The pressurized that was built, the pressure that was built on the greenback has was resulting into the the quite sharp upside momentum into the euro. I think it has lost some of its momentum due to the be relaxation on the further aspect of the euro. And as I said, there will be a new economic survey numbers that will be coming out. So on part of that also there is some speculation that it might not be as good as expected due to this pandemic situation. That will be wait and watch soon. As far as pound goes, like I've said before, uh, pound was not supported majorly by any factors. There was nothing that was supporting the momentum, and it was quite a shady momentum into the pound that we were seeing. And it was expected that it won't be long lasting and it will come down. So I think as far as pound and euro goes, there can be a heavy sell-off that we can see into the coming session. The levels that one can look out for uh, would be around just uh, would be 1.16 definitely in the coming session. So 1.17, 1.16 should be the levels that you should look out for into the euro. And as far as pound goes, I think it can definitely see a heavy sell-off towards 1.28, recovering all the momentum, all the greenback momentum that we have seen. But to be safe, you can definitely go towards limit beyond 1.3020 and go for a level of 1.29 for the coming session. For the
Right. And taking all of these levels into consideration with regards to the dollar index and the other currencies, what's the kind of behavior are we expected to see on the Indian rupee?
So Indian rupee has quite slumped. Yesterday's session it lost 20% against the dollar. Obviously, the major factors were dollar index gaining its green momentum again. Then there was some selling off that has happened on a big front. So I think rupee can see a consolidation phase to green momentum into the coming session because there has been a rise in inflation and the negative current account dynamic is not helping to the rupee appreciation as well. It is quite strongly holding 75 levels in the intraday sessions. If you see 75, 74, 95 is the major support zone for the rupee. And session on session, if you see, it is not quite going back and testing the lows of 74, 74.85, which we saw three sessions previous. So I think as long as it holds 75, 94.95, you can definitely go long with the rupee from the dips. But it won't be a major momentum. 75.35 is 75.35 is the major upside that you can see in intraday sessions as long as it is holding 75 as a support.
Right. So, Riya, what are the strategies one needs to adopt for today's day of trade?
We go short into the euro and pound domestic pair. Uh, the pound has been, it did see a red momentum in previous session, and I think it will continue towards 97.50, 97.45. So definitely go short into the pound as well as into the euro INR. The levels that you can look out for euro INR on the domestic front would be 88, sell below 88.10, and you can definitely watch out for levels of 87, 90, 87, 75 for the target. So Euro INR and Pound INR should be considered as a going short on these pairs. As far as rupee goes, I think one should be cautious because there's not much of the momentum that we are seeing in the rupee. You can definitely go buy on dips. Follow the strategy of buy on dips. If you see it going towards 75, you can buy on dips. The major support will be 75, 80, 74, 85 for the rupee. So I think any short position should be assumed only below that. as long as it is supporting 74.85, the buy on it should be strategy that should be considered into the rupee for the coming sessions.
Right. All right, Riya, pleasure speaking to you, and thank you for sharing those strategies and those views as well. We will come back to you. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in as well.